Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
God, I couldn't sleep last night. I was that tired, tossing and turning, sweating, funny dreams. I didn't drift off to sleep till about 2 o'clock in the morning, and then I was up awake at 5 and sat having a cup of tea at my computer. Jet lag. And talk about funny dreams. At one point I could have sworn Philip Schofield was stood at the end of my bed. Now then, where are we? Unfortunately, I'm back in the UK. I got back yesterday and jet lag is the word of the day. I had a sleep last night in a fashion, tossing and turning, couldn't settle, but I'm now got up. It's only 5:15 in the morning, and it'll take me a day or two to get back into a routine of the UK. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to knock this little video together which will give you an idea of what's to come over the next month or so. Plenty of new footage, plenty of footage for my members channel which I'll be uploading as well. So I've got a bit of editing to do. What an enjoyable trip this was, and I cannot wait to get back to Thailand, hopefully by the end of this year. It's the 1st of June today, and this is a bit of a teaser video. Starting tomorrow, the 2nd of June, I will upload the full versions of my videos. There's loads of videos to come. When I got back to the UK, no trains. I had to get a taxi from Manchester to Lancaster. Even the buses were full. I was stranded in Manchester. Cost me £110. Can I claim on my insurance? Is it worth it? Is there an excess? I'll have to look through the paperwork. But Trans-Pennine Express staff in Manchester on the gate, in a little over 24 hours I've gone from eating somtam Thai to toast. Nice though. In the space of a month, my garden's like a jungle. Weeds everywhere. Now this soup, the broth, oh sorry. $240, not a 360. And we're off. Owen, go guy, Moma.
Number 4. I'm spicy lover.
These are sort of videos I like making, my little clips, and I enjoy editing everything together when I get back to my room, or room if you're from the west. In Thailand, you're walking around filming, but wherever you look, there's always somebody watching you. Well, I need to get into a little bit of aircon. Fucking it's hot today. Is there only old Owen that's got a little bit of adventure? Tell me,ครับ
จัดดอกไม้ค่ะ
อะไร
จัดดอกไม้
คุณมีแฟนไหม
no
No. Sorry,ครับ Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you Bangkok City. It's me and Rab. Hello. It's his first time in Thailand. So
I to ask you have many มะพร้าวขนม
they've all got toes on the back. Bean sprouts, aren't they? Bean sprouts. Few bean sprouts. Oh, why are you so beautiful? Yeah. Okay, my friend. Banana. And I was asking her, is it banana and egg? She probably thought I was an absolute lunatic. My pad grapau guy. Looks alright, smells nice. Hello. Now then, where are we? I'm sat in the airport at Thailand. Got about 20-25 minutes before I board to Bangkok. And all of a sudden, I'm in turmoil in my head. Rushing here and rushing there. A couple of table lamps. The room's slightly bigger. But along the line somewhere, something gives. Now then, where are we? I'm in the night and day complex in Thailand. I've took the advice of a few of my subscribers and gone for the water. XL, double XL, double XL.
Double XL, double XL. Wow.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's fantastic.
This made me feel quite emotional here. I don't know why. Just think how beautiful and nice it would be. Now then, where are we? I'm sat in the, I call it the coffin dodgers bar. It's let me down. That's dropped off. Can I take them back and get a refund? So this is my favourite little Thai singer on Instagram. Does she work here? Yes. Are you sure?
Why you won't make me?